Alright guys, when you come to this roundabout, they will ask you follow the sign to Croydon, which is follow ahead, second exit. Normally every exit is on the 12, before 12 we stay in the left lane. But on this roundabout, it's different than other. The left lane is turning left only, so you will stay in the right lane. I'll show you from here. Let me just show you this part here. As you can see on the screen, the left lane is turning left only, so you will stay in the right lane to go follow ahead. So left lane is going left, so you're going to stay in the right lane and do your routine. When you come out from the roundabout, you need to be in the right lane to come out here. Do not go straight into left lane. As you can see the road marking, the left lane is a separate for people coming from this side. So they will not stop for you. They got a separate lane to coming out from the roundabout. So when you come, you stay in your lane and come out from the right lane. Here. And same, if you just keep going straight down, stay in the right lane all the way down, then you will come across to other roundabout. So when you see your lane, so you stay in the right lane, as you can see in the road marking here, your lane will turn up to 2 lane. And you're going to Croydon. The straight goes to Selsdon, and the right 2 lanes going to the Croydon. When 2 lanes going to the same direction, as you can see the road marking here, 2 lanes going to the Croydon. When 2 lanes going to the same direction, you stay in the left lane. Alright, stay in the right lane. Stay in the left lane. Always look where you're going. There's 2 lanes from here going to Croydon. So you go straight into the left lane. Keep going round, round, round. Do your routine here. And stay far left. And you come up from here. There's 2 lanes going to the Croydon. Make sure do not go into the right lane. Stay in the left and keep it far left and come out. Because if there's any other car on your right hand side, they will be going to the same direction. So you don't want to go in front of them. Alright. This is for New Addington when you're on the West Wickham driving test route. So this is the way going to the Shirley side. And after this, I'm going to put a clip. Watch that as well, so that will help you more. Thank you for watching this. Okay, we're coming to Addington Roundabout. As you can see, the sign is on the left hand side. They will ask you follow the sign to Croydon, which is straight ahead on the 12 o'clock position. On this roundabout, as you can see the road marking, the left lane is for left only. So you're gonna stay in the right lane. Stay in the right lane. And you stay here. After this exit, you do the routine and you come out from this roundabout. As you can see at the road marking, do not go straight into left, stay in the right lane and then come out and stick to your speed, which is 40. 90 and stay in this lane, and you're following the sign to Croydon. Shortly your lane is gonna turn up to 2 lane, so every time when the 2 lanes go to the same direction, you always stay in the left lane. As you can see, it's turning up to 2 lanes, so we're gonna stay here. Look always where you're going and who's coming. If you look down, the road marking 2 lane is bending to the right. You stay in the left lane and follow around, and after this do your routine and you come out from the roundabout.
You are entering a low emission zone.